I'm Miss Diana. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a pirate boat out of a paper plate. So the supplies that you will need for this art project are paper plate, scissors, glue stick, brown acrylic paint. If you don't happen to have brown paint, you can use a brown crayon or a brown marker. You'll also need a pencil to sketch out some shapes that we'll use. A popsicle stick, if you don't happen to have one like myself, you can use a straw. It could be plastic or paper straw. You'll also need 3 types of construction paper. Well, sorry, they're the same but different colors. You'll need a yellow, you'll need a black one, and a white one. So those are the supplies that we'll need. Now, to get started, we will start painting the outside of the paper plate. So it's like this, so turn it over. This part right here, we're gonna color it all brown. So I'm gonna start by adding my brown paint on it. And like I said, if you don't have any acrylic brown paint, you can always use a marker or a brown crayon. But if you do have paint, just go ahead and spread it all over. And remember, it's going to be the outside of the paper plate, not the inside, the outside, okay? So keep on painting, coloring, spread it all over. I'm going to add some more. So keep painting, spread the paint all over the plate. And parents, make sure to help your child if they need assistance with the paint. Oops. And remember, don't wear nice clothes with this because you will get paint on yourself. It's okay, it's washable. Same as the color markers, they're washable, so no worries. Now continue, she'll look something like this. I'm gonna add a little bit more paint to make it a little bit browner. Cover the areas that I didn't cover. So I'm almost done coloring it. Okay, so I'm almost finished covering all the spots. And I'm painting. Okay, once your paper plate is fully covered in brown paint or brown marker, set it aside so it can dry. Now once that is drying, we're going to move on to step number 2. Before that, you can wipe your hands or wash them really quick so you don't get paint all over your other stuff. Now we will start off with the yellow construction paper first. And for the yellow construction paper, you only need a little piece, which we are going to cut a rectangle. So grab your pencil, and parents, help your child if they need help. You're going to draw a rectangle, and then you're going to cut it. So let's do that part. So I have my rectangle, now I'm going to cut. Okay, so we have a rectangle yellow, and now we will need to grab the white construction paper, and with this construction paper you'll definitely need assistance from your parent or guardian. And what you're gonna do is draw a little skull face. So draw a circle with like a little bone sticking on each side of the head. It's gonna look something like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect. No one's will be. That's the unique part of this art project. So it's gonna look something like this, roughly like this. And go ahead and draw it out right now. And then once you're done drawing it, go ahead and cut it out. Okay, now with the black construction paper, same thing, you only need a little piece, and you're gonna draw the flag. It's gonna look something like this. So start off by drawing a little atom, a little half circle, and then you're gonna go down to the point, and then inwards to the point, and outwards to make it look something like this. And once you're done with that, we will move on to the yellow construction paper. Again, this part will be the rectangle that you did the cutout of. For this one, we're gonna cut the small piece of black construction paper. Now for this small construction paper, you're gonna draw 3 circles. I use the glue lid tab. So I put it on here, and then I drew the circles. Now with these ones, you're gonna cut them out. So let me go ahead and cut them out as you guys do so. And parent or guardian, if you could help the child cut the circles out, use a white crayon so that way it's visible on the black paper. And cutting out the second circle now. Okay. Okay, so I have my 3 circles, and now what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to glue them in the center of the yellow construction paper. These are going to be the windows of the boat, so it's going to be on right here. So grab your glue stick. We're going to add glue to the first circle. So add glue and put it in the middle of the construction paper. So that's 1 window, and I'm going to add the other 2 right here. 2, 3. Adding glue. Okay. Now I'm going to add glue to the 3rd window to glue it onto the yellow construction paper. have it. You have the window with the 3 little black windows on here. And now we're going to go back to the black piece of construction paper that you cut out. And this is going to be the flag. So you're going to glue on the skull in the middle of the flag, like so. So grab my glue stick, add glue to the white skull. Adding glue. We're going to glue the skull face in the middle of the flag, like so. Okay, now that we have those ready, we are going to set aside our construction paper, grab our paper plate, and it's not going to be fully dry if you used paint, but now we will go ahead and fold the paper like this, the paper plate, fold it in half. Okay, now what you want to do is glue the window in the middle right here. So not all the way on the bottom, not all the way on the top, but you're going to glue it in the middle. So add a little bit of glue to the middle of the yellow construction paper with the windows, so like halfway. So I'm adding glue. I'm so sorry. Before we add that, we are going to glue the straw or popsicle stick on the back of the boat. It'll be on the back, not the front, on the back, okay? So add some glue to it. Like so, glue. And now glue it on the back. Like that. So glue it on the back of the paper plate. That way we could glue the flag right here. Okay. So now go ahead and grab your window. Make sure you add glue on half of it. And you will add glue. You would glue it right here in the middle. Like so. Once you're done gluing that, you're going to grab your flag. You're going to add, oops, it's upside down. You are going to add glue on it right here. So add glue, like a little stripe. And then you'll glue it onto the paper, the paper straw, or if you do happen to have popsicle sticks, glue it on the popsicle stick. And there we have it. We have our pirate boat. So you have the flag, you have the straw, you have the window, and you have the brown boat. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun doing this art project.